Hi, this is Derek. To all you aspiring students, I want to show you a video on how to use Microsoft to do your APA formatting. To start with, you go to your start manual, you open your Microsoft, depending on which version I'm using. I have 2013 and 2007. I'm going to use 2007 simply because this is easily accessible and maybe most people that's what they use. So when you open up your Microsoft Office, this is what you see. The first thing that you want to do, that APA, in this case I'm using the 6th edition, recommends it to you that you set your font. You open up this window, you set your fonts to Times New Roman, which is recommended, and then the font style should be regular, and the recommended font size is 12. So once you have that, you can see a preview there. You save the paper. The next thing that you do is to go to a paragraph and do your settings from there. The first thing that you want to do is to set the alignment. Alignment should always be centered. That's what is recommended by APA. The indentation. The next thing is the indentation. I normally do 0.5. Then you do the special. You set it to first line. Then the line spacing should always be double. That's what APA recommends. Don't do single or multiple. So you can see a preview there. Once that is done, you and save. So your computer is set for APA formatting. Save in whatever folder you want to. The next thing I want to show you is how you do your sources. In this case, you go up here and choose select 6th edition, and then this is what we do next. You gather all your sources, put them together. When you have your sources, books, articles, magazines, whatever, you open that window. You enter. You click here and type of source. If it's a book, a journal article, you pick whatever you have. As student, I believe you'll be using websites, so you can choose your website. So you can see that the format changes depending on what you choose. If you choose a journal article, you can see that it changes down there. For a website, this is what you get. So put the author name in there. If it's a corporate author, you check. You put the website name, the name of the web page, the website that's www. whatever it is. The web page, it is what page on that web. It might be www.school.edu, then maybe nursing or business, and so then put the year, the month, the date, and the full link of the website. That's those crazy numbers that you have on your website. You put them there, and then add a tag name. A tag name is just something that you put in there to easily identify a source. Once you've entered all your information, click OK and enter all your. So once all your sources are entered, they will be in this master list over here, and you have them in this is the master list. It means all the sources that you've used now or in the past will be here. Now when you come to do your paper, you choose, remember the tag name that you put, or you're writing a paper and these are the sources. You choose the sources you're going to use. You say OK, you go there, OK. So transfer all of them onto this side, whichever you want to do. Once you are done, you say close. So once that is done, the next thing I want to show you how you do, like let's say you are typing. Let's say Bob remember it is centered, so you say Bob. Now you want to put your source in there. You go up there and you choose your source. The source comes up. You see these sources coming up. Then you say Snyder. So it puts Snyder there. It puts the name of the source in there. Then Bob, in this case I used Bob, but you don't have to type the name of the author. So what you do is you just go up there and click on the author, and it inserts the source, the author. Then you can go and type in said that, then you continue typing. Now to do a reference page or a works cited page, works cited there should be works cited. Remember, this should be centered. Remember, all these should be centered. So the works cited, in case you want to put your reference pages here, what you do is you come down here and then you insert. You can see all these come up here. The computer does all this for you. To see the full video tutorials on APA formatting, on how you do your page numbers, your headers, your running head, and other tips on formatting, subscribe to my channel or go to my blog, my APA blog, and you'll be able to see the full screen. The menus up here will be visible. So my name is Derek. I hope you log in and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.